Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to file taxes on TurboTax. So first is you have to open any of your web browser and you have to search for TurboTax, and then you have to click on this first website. So the reason why we are using our web browser, it is because TurboTax is not available in Play Store in all regions, including mine. So that is why in this video I am using my web browser for those people who cannot access the TurboTax in Play Store. So this one is for you. But as well, it is the same process in how to file taxes here in TurboTax. The difference is that you can download the TurboTax application in Play Store if you are in a region where you can access it. Okay, so what you're going to do next, you have to select all that apply, and then after that, you just have to see the pricing. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to select the I have a job, or you paid a rent, or you own a home. So you just have to select all that apply, and then after that, you just have to start for free. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see this section. Now you just have to type it right here. Select how did you do your taxes last year. You use a TurboTax already, or you use a CPA or accountant, or you didn't file taxes last year, and then just have to click on continue. Then right here you just have to type out your email and then your user ID. So you have to create your user ID and a password, and then after that just click on create account, and a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. And what you're going to do is you just have to copy the 6-digit code and you have to paste it over here, and then just click on continue. Okay, and then the next thing that you should do is you have to fill out your personal profile. So about you, address and phone, other state income, and then the wages and taxes. Wages and income. Okay, so you have to fill it out one by one. Then after you do that, is you'd be able to see this section. Now you just have to get access to advice and in a specialist supported plus to feel confident about your taxes all year long. And right here, what qualifies as a form a 1040 return with limited credits. So with limited credits, it's only ones that's filed using IRS Form 1040 only with exemption of the specific covered situation described below. So you just have to read this one. And then right here, you've got this based on our estimates. You can finish in 31 minutes. So if you are going to select this one, so the estimated time for you to finish this is 31 minutes. So after selecting this one is you just have to click on next, and then you have to make sure that you have selected the free edition. Okay, and what you're going to do next over here is you have to start with your federal review. Okay, so we're done with our information, so we're going to go with the federal, state taxes, and then we're going to review our tax. Okay, so when you click on this three horizontal lines at the top left of your screen, you would be able to see here other details. Of course, the pricing if you wanted to upgrade, so you can do that as well. And when you go to the pricing reviews, and now let's start with the federal review. So when you clicked on it, we're just going to click on start. Okay, and then right here you just have to click on continue. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds because the disadvantage of using the TurboTax website is it takes so much time before it loads. So right here you just have to select. So you've got a lot of options over here. You can start with home energy credits or mortgage interest credits. Then after that is you just have to click on the start button. And what you're going to do here is you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then when you scroll down is you just have to click on yes or no. So what tax breaks can I get for paying? Now you just have to enter the property tax you paid in 2023. So for the property taxes on your main home, you just have to type it out right here. And then for the taxes on additional homes or land, and if you paid foreign real estate taxes, you might not need to enter them. Now you just have to click on continue, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, then you'd be able to see this note. Okay, so right now the standard deduction saves you to the most of your taxes. You just have to scroll down and then click on done or save or continue. Okay, so it will take a while, and then after that, all deduction and credits. And then just click on done with tax breaks. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is we have to proceed to the state. Okay, so it would take a while. So now we are done with the federal review. Let's go to the state taxes. Okay, so all of this are done. Now let's proceed to the other section. Okay, so now just click on start. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to click on the let's get started option. And now you just have to click on choose a state or skip state. So for this one, I'm just going to skip the state since I don't really need this one for now. But if you do, so you just have to click on it. And now just click on check my return. Okay, so now we are already in the review section since we skipped the state. So now just wait for a couple of seconds. They're looking over every detail of your returns. And what you're going to do next is just about ready to file. But first, here's what our checked file entry details for you to review. So just make sure that you have filled out all of the important information so you can proceed to filing your tax. Okay, so just click on continue. So make sure that you do not forget every important information. Now just click on continue once again. And then you'd be able to see this page. Now your tax summary, as you can see for the federal refund. And then if you would like to explain your numbers, so you just have to click on explain my numbers option and you'd be directed to this section. And then over here, you see how your numbers are adding up. So get a better understanding of your taxes with this breakdown of what you've entered so far. So you have here the taxes you've paid, your taxes, your refund, and then the taxes you've paid, and then your taxes again. So the refund so far is $0. So if you think that this is a mistake, so you have to review and then make sure that you have typed out the correct amount. So to sum it up, TurboTax is very easy to use. If you do need help, online tax experts are ready to help. So I would recommend using this tax filing software instead of paying hundreds of dollars in store elsewhere. TurboTax walks you through tax preparations step by step. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.